Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today's another video that I'm just gonna go off the top right now. As you can see the baggy eyes. I'm working late today, and there was something on my mind that I wanted to share with you guys, and that's the concept of just like having self-belief but not having stop fucking lying to yourself, bro. Just stop lying to yourself and be honest with yourself for once in your life and actually assess certain stuff, and like don't just be ignorant to the fact that you can't fail. Of course, dude, if you guys know me and you guys been following me for a while and you guys seen my success in my industry, you guys know that I'm a big believer in like believing in yourself and having that self-belief, because ultimately you can't get anywhere without having that self-belief. But also, don't be ignorant to the fucking fact that that just self-belief alone is going to get you there. It's not. I hate it when I talk to people and I tell them, yeah, like, what are your goals? Or like, what do you plan on doing? And then they're like, oh, well, I want to be an actor. I live in LA. So a lot of people want to say that they want to be actors. And then I'll tell them, oh, yeah, cool, dude. Like, how much do you train on acting? Like, how much did you train yesterday? And then they look at me. They're like, well, I used to train back in the day over there in, I don't know, wherever they ended up training. And I'm like, well, yeah, you're going to fucking lose, bro. You're going to lose. Honestly, I'm not trying to be rude to that person or step on their dreams, but without the hard work, without the dedication, without the discipline, you're not going to get there. It's just stupid and it's unrealistic to think that you deserve something in this life and you haven't worked for it. It's just dumb, right? It's dumb to think that, but yet most people will be like, oh yeah, like, you know, it's okay, bro. I could do it. Like, you know, don't worry about it. Like, everything's fine. We'll let it off for tomorrow. Blah 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 blah. Whatever the fucking case may be. If you want something, you're gonna have to put in sweat equity. You're gonna have to put in the work day in and day out, man. You can't fucking like quit. You have to sacrifice. Ultimately, there's a big sacrifice when it comes down to this game. It's not just like as easy as saying like, hey, I want this and that's it. I wish that I could just say something. I'm for the law of attraction and like speaking your dreams into existence. But if you're not putting these sleepless nights, if you're not putting in that work, you're not putting in that effort, you're not doing shit to build your brand, you're not doing stuff to build your business, well, then what are you going to do with your life? What are you going to do? How are you going to progress? How are you going to get to where you're going to get? You have to stop lying to yourself. Stop lying to yourself in the sense that you're like, hey, well, I want to do this, I want to do that. And then let's just say I want to have six-pack abs, but I'm eating the ice cream at night. Like, my actions don't align with my goals. And your actions have to align with your goals. So stop lying to yourself. It's okay. It's okay to eat the ice cream. It's okay to go out and drink and do whatever you want to do. Sleep with a lot of women if that's what you want to do. Okay, but don't complain later on when you're broke. Don't complain later on when you're not where you want to be, or you're not driving the cars that you want to be driving, or you're not living in the places that you want to live, or you can't take the vacations that you want to take. Or even, let's just say you can take those vacations, but you can't stay there for 2 to 3 months. You can't stay there. That's the way I'm on a vacation. When I want a vacation and I want to leave to any part of this world right now, I could do it, and I could do it for 2 months, 3 months. Or I could do it for a full-blown year. I don't have to work. I've been putting in the work, right? And so I know that I could reward myself that way. Am I most likely going to do that? I've been saying I want to do a vacation for the longest, and I would never do it at this current moment where my business stands. I'm more than financially successful to be able to do it, but I know that my goals are here and my actions have to align even probably a little bit higher than my goals. So I have to be in alignment with my goals. I can't just be partying. I can't just be like freaking exerting my energy. Energy is everything. You have to know how to manage your energy, how to invest your energy into the right people. Stop listening to other people, outside sources, and people telling you positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement? What the fuck do you mean? You're disempowering me by telling me that it's going to be easy. I had to get a mentor to tell me how it was and said, hey, dude, you're not doing enough. You're simply not going to freaking make it. If you're doing what you're doing right now, you're simply not going to make it, Luis. I'm so sorry. You're not going to make it. You're dumb. You don't know anything about finances. You don't know anything about taxes. You don't know how to manage your money. You don't know about real estate. How the fuck are you going to be a billionaire? Oh, well, I believe in myself. Dude, come on. Wake up, bro. Wake up. The world's not sunshine and rainbows. Look at what's going on. You have to defend yourself. You have to be that sense of light. You have to be that sense of inspiration for yourself. No one could freaking do it for you, bro. No one can do it. No one's coming to save you. No one's coming to save you. Okay, so someone told you that was super wealthy, told you you suck and that you're not going to make money. Okay, don't take it to the heart. That doesn't mean you can't learn it. He didn't tell you that. He just told you, hey, you're dumb right now. And you might as well just be that. You might just be dumb when it comes down to your finances. And he's just telling you the truth. He's not telling it to you because he just has malice towards you and hates you. He's telling you, you're stupid, dude. Like, you don't know what the hell you're doing. All right, well, that's a clear indicator he's a millionaire. Well, then I need to figure out something that he knows. Well, hey, you told me that I'm stupid. Okay, I understand that. And I acknowledge I am pretty dumb when it comes down to it. What books did you read to get smarter? What books did you read, or how can I get better? How can I hang out with you for I could be a little bit smarter when it comes down to my finances, or how to multiply my money, or how to make more money? That's the questions that you need to be asking, not taking it to the fence and taking it up the booty hole and just being that type of person that just like take everything up the butt and just be like, oh yeah, no, I believe in myself, and if it don't matter, no one believe in me. Okay, I understand it. Like I said, have the self-belief, but you know you're doing the work. But if you're not doing the work, how do you suspect the result, bro? How do you suspect the result? The entitlement with this generation is crazy. Especially in my generation, we have a sense of entitlement, which is good, man. We have confidence in ourselves. We know that we're the future and we know that we're the next generation up. But at the same time, we have to put in the sweat equity and we have to put in the time. Train. You want to be the best? Train. Michael Jordan had to train a shitload of hours. It doesn't matter how good you are, even you are at what you're doing in the beginning. Eventually, your talent won't be enough. It won't be enough. So you have to train every single day, every single day, every single day, every single day. If you're a salesman, you have to know all your objections. If you're a car salesman, I don't know, whatever it is, man, an actor. I'm super like right now, super tired, so I can't think of anything in my head. But yeah, man, I just had to bring that topic up, guys, because I don't want you guys to be normal, man. I don't want you guys to be average. I want you guys to get the pure real off of this channel. I want you guys to get implementable advice. Shit that I would want to know back then. I don't care if I make $1 off of this YouTube. I don't care. That's why I curse. That's why I say what I say on the top of my head. I'm not here to monetize anything. I'm here to just use YouTube as a virtual platform to mentor people that are already viewing my content. I care. Trust me, you can do it, but you have to put in the work and your actions have to align with your goals. It's not as simple as just talking. I wish it was. I wish it was. I wish it was as simple as just saying, hey, I want this, I want that, and I better get it. No. You have to work for it and you have to train every single day, every single day, every single day, every single day. And understanding it's going to take that level of commitment throughout years. Years. So I just want to get on. That was one of the biggest things that I wanted to speak to you guys about. I know this video is a little bit random and just like, I just had to tell you guys that, man. And I'm going to be doing these talks a little bit more with you guys in this YouTube channel. As you guys could see, I changed the channel just to, we're going to be doing a little bit different. It's just going to go based off of my name. It's still the Born to Win category. You know, we're still doing the Born to Win movement, but also it's just going to be my personal brand. We're just going to be using my name, which is Luis Jimenez. So that's why you're just going to see it on the title right there. But Born to Win is still a lifestyle. You make the extraordinary look ordinary. Until next time, guys. I love you guys. Peace.